Here we have a 2014 Ford Focus. It's fitted with the 1.6 diesel engine and got roughly 164,000 miles on the clock. As part of the service on this Focus today, I'm going to be changing the air filter, which is located inside this plastic box here. All you'll need for this job is 7mm sockets. You can use a gun or an extension bar and a ratchet, or like a screwdriver arrangement. So we've got some 7mm bolts to undo to remove the top off the box. I've got my gun here with a 7mm socket on it. I don't think I'm going to reach that one down there, but I'll undo these. Should just pull off. That's it. The air filter itself, lift this end up first, because that locates over the intake there. It's got a little bit of debris in it, but I've seen a lot worse. Before we put the new filter in, I'm just going to use a vacuum cleaner, see if I can clean out some of this debris in here. There's usually dead flies, leaves, things like that. You can just use a brush. You could take the whole airbox out, tip it upside down. It's not such a big deal to remove one of these. Or use airline, but yeah, Hoover's probably the easiest one and preferably a more powerful one than this. So this one isn't a genuine Ford filter, but as long as you take your registration number to the outlet that you use, they should be able to recommend the correct part for your car. This is a reasonable brand, and you should be able to get it for under £10. So we've got like a rubber seal in this end which needs to locate over that inlet. That's it. And then this needs pushing that way to get it over the lip on the edge of the airbox there. So we've got the top of the airbox here. I was just undoing these screws a little bit more, it sort of holds them up out of the way. Then you've got this slot around this end which this lip of the air filter should locate into. And that's it, quite a straightforward job. As with most of my jobs, I'll give this a little road test. Not that there's a lot you can check for on a road test. Just make sure that it's seated correctly and sealing around the edges, which that one is. Then the job should be a good one.